Hey guys, welcome to back to another video where today I'll be showing you um some Python coding inside the a Raspberry Pi computer, which is a really small, cheap computer, but it's really powerful and really good. So I'll be showing you some coding, some Python coding that you can use in Minecraft Pi Edition, which is basically uh, a really it's version 0.1.1 alpha, which is really old. It's a really old Pocket Edition version, just configured for computer. So I'll be showing you some coding that you can do inside that. Okay, so let's get started. So first, you're going to need a mainly a Raspberry Pi. First, you're going to need a Raspberry Pi because I believe it's the only device you can get Minecraft Pi Edition on, and you can't do this on any other version of Minecraft. So, and then you're going to need a Python IDE. So I'm using Thonny Python, and I have little bits of the code that you're going to need into like cut into little sections, so it's easier to explain uh, what the code's doing, so you know what this one does, what the other one does. And I'll either leave a file with the code in it in the description, or I'll just copy and paste all the code into the description. So uh, to start off, you're going to want to go to Minecraft Pi Edition and then go Start Game. You can go Create New, or if you haven't used Minecraft Pi Edition and there's no worlds on it, do Create New. But if not, then you can join whatever world you want. I'm going to create a new world. So once you're in, you'll have like a hotbar. Like with your hotbar will have loads of different blocks and stuff. But when, so it's basically, and then you press E. So if you don't know how to work it, E is open inventory. Escape is to close the inventory, and then if you press escape again, it brings up the menu. Why am I constantly jumping? Okay, I don't know what happened there. And that brings up a menu where you can go into third person. If you click the button here, the one beside the volume button, and then you can click here to go in between first and third person, and you go back to game, and then there's the quit to title button as well. W, A, S, and D are forwards, so W is forwards, A is left, D is right, S is backwards, spacebar is jump, and then E is, oh no, yeah, I already showed you that, and right click is place, left click is destroy. So it's basically just a computer edition of Minecraft. It's basically a Pocket Edition Minecraft configured for a computer. So, so then to start off doing the code, so once you're in the world and you find a good place, because I'm going to be showing you how to like build a house almost instantly. Well, instantly if you have the code done, but if not, it'll take a few minutes because you have to write the code in. So you can press escape and then you can drag your mouse Minecraft off the Minecraft app, so then you can type here and stuff. So here I've all the little snippets of what you need of all the code. So basically, for the first bit, this is importing Minecraft as Minecraft. So it's importing, so it's letting the code know that you're changing stuff inside Minecraft. So then you I'm gonna copy and paste all this into my little my section here where I'm gonna be doing it. So it's importing Minecraft as Minecraft, and then it's importing mcpi.block, which is all the blocks inside Minecraft, as block, and then mc equals Minecraft. So that's just saying, so for example, here it says mc.setBlocks and it says mc here. So it's basically just saying mc is Minecraft. mc means Minecraft. Okay, and then you're going to want to get, you're going to want to put in here while true. While true is while something is true, and so Control V there. So there it's saying for hit in mc.events.pollBlockHits. So basically, every time you right click while holding a sword, you hit, but when you right click while holding a block, you just break it. But left click is destroying, so it doesn't really count as hit, so you have to be holding your sword for this to work. And then it's P equals mc.player.getTilePos. So that's getting so that means P is where the player is in the world. So for example, here mc.setBlocks p.x, so your coordinates, so like x, y, z, your coordinates, and then the next bit here. So this is placing some block. This is going to place an 11 by 5 by 11 block, big massive block of logs. So then if I click run, and I go back to Minecraft, and then I right click with the sword. If I right click with the sword. Oh wait, stop. Save. Stop. Run. Okay, so that should work now. Yeah. So it will place this ginormous solid thing of wood logs. So when you can leave it at this, and you can make it so every time you right click on the floor, a big massive thing of wood logs spawns. Or you can continue watching this video and I'll show you how to make a house out of this. A small house, so very basic house. So then if I go, I'm just going to move over here. So then that's creating a big massive thing full of wood, like a solid thing of wood. So then you're going to want to get another mc.setBlocks, but this one's going to hollow out the inside of it. So Control C, Control V, there we go. So then if I click stop, save, can you save please? There you go, run. If I go back here and I right click, behind me, oh, is that, what happened there? Did I just walk into it? Oh, maybe I accidentally right clicked as well at the same time. So then if you break a little bit, if you break a little hole, the whole thing's been hollowed out, which is pretty cool. But we're not going to end there. We're going to keep going. So if I go back over here, is this it? No. So this one is going to hollow out a little bit more, which is and I know it's all completely hollowed out, but it's going to basically create a little doorway for you to stand in, to get in without having to break your way in. So there, stop, save, run, and then oh yeah, just so say if you I forgot to explain this. So say if you right click and you want the house to appear over this way, uh, that's not going to happen. It's going to appear a certain direction. It's going to appear in to if you're looking north. If you're looking a certain way, sometimes it'll appear behind you. Sometimes it'll appear like beside you here to the right or to the left, and then sometimes it'll appear like it always appears a certain direction. But say if I wanted the house to appear over here, say here, so I want it to appear there. So I was gonna if I wanted to appear there where that red brick is. I can't stand here and right click hoping that it will appear there because it'll just appear behind me. So I have to walk over here and then right click and then it'll appear behind me again, but it will be where the red brick block was. And then oh yeah, here's the little hole that we made to get in. It'll appear where the red block was. I can't figure out how to make it so you can choose which way it appears, but I just thought I'd let you guys know so you're not spending ages trying to figure out why it's not appearing a certain way. Okay. So oh yeah, I was gonna go here. Here's a pretty flat area. There we go. Right here. Oh, wait, have we reached the edge of the world? Yeah. Because on Minecraft Pi Edition, the world is incredibly small. So this is the edge of the world. You can tell because it's like an invisible barrier. Like I'm trying to get through, but it won't let me. But you can look under, and all the blocks become invisible. Oh yeah, that's the same thing if you dig down to bedrock. If you break through bedrock on this, if you break through bedrock on this on Minecraft Pi Edition, and you look up, all the blocks will be invisible apart from the tunnel that you made down. Okay, back to making the house. Okay, so we have that done. So that was this bit here. So that created a little doorway for us to get in, and this is gonna set the floor to stone slabs for us. So it's not just completely wood. So there, stop, save, run. Okay, go back here, right click, there. So there will be a slight drop when you go in, but it is just basically just stairs. I can't I don't know the name for glowstone in this because normally it's in Minecraft Pocket Edition and Java Edition it's called glowstone like nowadays, but in this edition it's not called glowstone and I can't get it to appear. And the torches, when I do torches, they just break. So if you want lighting in the house, you're gonna have to place it yourself. That's like the one of the downsides. If I can figure out what glowstone is called, then I should be able to. If I figure out what glowstone is called, I'll let you know. So you have to place stuff, your glowstone or torches or whatever in. And now I'm gonna create the roof. It's not gonna be a big fancy roof. This I actually haven't. I forgot to put down the snippet bit for it, so I'm gonna do this now. Might take a few minutes. So actually, I can just copy and paste. If I just copy and paste this and then change the height. So Y is height. So if you want to change the height of something, you will do you'll add on height. So when you're doing this, so like the 2, and the 5 and the 2, like all the numbers, they're meant to represent the number of blocks. I think. Not sure. Anyways, so y is 0 at the moment. It's a 6 plus 6, and then actually wait, no, I put the plus 6. P plus 6. Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, plus 6. And now, so that's that. Then I need x is 1. Oh, it's 11, so I need 12. So then I make x is 2. Then up here, x has to be 10. And then same here. This should work. Let's see. Stop. Save. Can you save? There you go. Run. Right. Now this should work. Not sure if it will, but it should. Right, let's see. Nearly. Nearly. I got it. That's not what I wanted. Okay. I thought. Huh? Oh. Oh, because it's set blocks. Okay. So, the roof, I will get back to you if I figure out the roof. It's just a little bit complicated now because it's setting from so here is like 0. So where this cobblestone is, it's 0. It's like y equals, it's like the 0 on y. So on the y, so like on height, it's 0 basically. It's hard to explain. It's the bottom of the house. So it's placing slabs from the bottom of the house up to the top when it should just be placing slabs from the bottom of on the top. So here, wait, let me try this. I do that. Plus 6 now. That might work. Save, run. Okay. Let's see. Oh, edge of the world. I'll just create it on top of this house. Alright, there you go. Did it work? No, same problem. If I do figure it out, I will let you know, but for now, I'm just gonna get rid of the stone slab problem. The stone slab's there. Okay, so I will leave either all this code in the description, or I might see if I can put a file in there so you can just load the file. Run. Oh yeah, there's if you can. So if I get on this corner of the block, it's just take. Oh no. Okay. Here. Okay. It's a weird thing that it's just kind of funny. So if you stay there, if you go to the corner of each house, you can make a giant tower. And it just looks sort of cool. Is this? There we go. No, I didn't want that. Oh well. It's hard. Yeah, I clicked on the outside of it, so I'm gonna. Yeah, okay. Doesn't matter. So if I do figure out how to do the roof and the glowstone, I will probably do a part 2 on this, and I will be doing more videos like on the Raspberry Pi, mainly because it's a really powerful computer, and it has all the stuff that I need. So yeah, uh, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Um, uh, Anything else I need to say? Um. Oh. I. Oh no, I've forgotten now. Oh yeah. I will. I'll leave a link in the description. For the Raspberry Pi if you want to. For the Raspberry Pi, I'm using a Raspberry Pi 4 Model B. So if you want to have a look at it, I'll leave a link into the description on of where you can buy it. It's really cheap and it's quite powerful. So yeah, uh, nothing much else to say. So yeah, uh, bye.